Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video, and today we got to take a look at an awesome up-and-coming developer. Ladies, I would like for you to give this young lady some support, show her some love, give her some feedback, and we're going to check out some of her work. All right, you all, let's check out WoneTime. Hey, what's up ladies? Welcome back to another video, and today we got some awesome, and I do mean awesome, watch faces for you to check out for the ladies. And this is an up and coming developer who is making their mark in the watch face game. Now, I want you to give us some positive feedback on some of the watch faces that you're going to see me review today. And also hit me in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts on this developer and her creativity so far as women watch faces are concerned. Cool? All right, let's check this out, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called Hearts Encircled with Ruby Red. Now, the name of the developer is called WoneTime. You can see it right there at the top of the watch face. Now, what I really like about this watch face is the always on mode. I like the way everything is laid out. It really stands out to me so far as a women's watch face is concerned, right? But it looks really good. Now, when the watch face is on, I think it looks awesome, considering that it has hearts that's encircling the watch face itself. You got a ruby red that's in the center, stands out amongst all the other hearts, and you get the best of both worlds. You get digital and you get an analog watch face. Now, you do get 24-hour digital time with this one too, and there's a lot of people that like the 24-hour time, right, Kryptonia? And with this, this is an interactive watch face. You can pull up things like your calendar. You can tap on and get your music if you have your music player, and you also can get the weather. I thought that was neat. And if you want to get your battery life, you can get your battery life. And the colors that are added to this watch face are very rich and vibrant. They do stand out. If I double tap here, I can change the color of the watch face. That black looked awesome, right? And the colors are very rich. They'll tie into any outfit that you may have on for any particular day. I'm telling you, you got to check this one out. All right, you all, don't forget, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this one. And with that being said, let's check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now, number 2 is nice, and I'll tell you why I like this watch face in a second, right? Now, the name of the watch face is called Diamond Flower. Very good looking watch face. And ladies, you got to tell me, what do you think about this looking always on mode? I thought this was very different. I thought it was very creative. I thought that in the AOD mode, this stood out amongst a lot of always on displays that I've saw thus far. Very creative from the developer. Now, when the watch face is on, the uniqueness about this watch face is attention to detail. Check out the background. It really stands out. The diamonds that's going around the bezel of the watch really blends in with the detailing of the watch face as well. Now, I do like the double stack time. Who knows why? Maybe because I got a Galaxy Note 8 phone, possibly, right? But also what you get with this, you are going to get your month. You're also going to get the date and the year. On the opposite side of the time, you'll get your day, PM stamp, and you'll also get animated seconds, right? Which is pretty cool. And if I tap right here, I can pull up my calendar. And if I tap right down here at the bottom, I can get my music player right here. I get my weather, all the important things that I would normally use out of a watch face. And if I tap at the top, I can get my battery info. I like the way, or the fact that all those shortcuts are hidden. They're not standing out. So if I really wanted to wear a watch face like this, you know, going out, then I don't have my screen cluttered with all these shortcuts. I'm liking that one. And if I tap right here, I can I can change the color of the watch face. I thought that color looked very nice, very different. We're going to cycle through all the colors because I want to let you know, or let you see what you're going to be in for once you download this watch face. Let's go through, because that's not it. I want to show you this awesome looking one. That one there looks awesome. Now, that one is a luxury, dressy watch face look. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this one. Make sure you hit me in the comment section below, because I really would like to know your thoughts on this one. So let's check out the watch face number 3. Last but not least, ladies, watch face number 3. Now, number 3 is called Diamond Love Doves. Now, this is all about love with this watch face. To me, that's in my opinion, right? But in the always on mode, I really like how she brings that out in the AOD mode. it really, really looks good. What do you think, ladies? Now, when the watch face is on, it's very colorful. You got these two love doves, black and white, and you also get diamonds at the 12, the 3, the 6, and the 9. I'm liking that. So it's an analog watch face slash digital, and the digital is giving you 24-hour time. And you come down, you're also going to get the day and the date. So the whole layout of this watch face is really nice, to be exact. And if I tap here, right here, I can bring up my calendar, set an event. If I tap here, I can get my weather, which is very important to me. And of course, if I tap at the top, I can get my battery info. And if I double tap, I can change the color of the watch face. Again, this video isn't going to do it justice. The color really pops when it's right up close, right? So I'm cycling through just to give you an idea of what you're in for once you download this watch face. I'm thinking the developer has great potential. I want to hear your opinion on this. Hit me in the comment section down below and comment. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. Ladies, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're enjoying Hump Day. It should be about over for many of us, or well, many of you all, because I was off today. And with that, if you like this video, please hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.